Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ThermoPro TP260B. It's a professional accuracy indoor-outdoor thermometer with a base station you see right here with a backlight and a wireless rechargeable outside temperature humidity sensor. And the connection between these two will work up to 300 meters or 1,000 feet. I already have tested it and I was really far away and I was surprised that it worked. Now the interface here is not instantaneous, so if you move this you have to wait for it to catch up, and what it's doing, it's very accurately reading the temperature, transmitting it to this unit. This is the industry's most reliable RF technology, and it will establish a very stable connection and give you information. So you can see right here displaying the temperature right here, and that's the temperature on the sensor outside where it says out. There is a backlit display right there that comes on and it lights up. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the display. Let me change the angle right here. But there is a backlit light on there that comes on and off, and it'll turn off automatically. You have a choice of Fahrenheit or centigrade right there with a simple touch. And then you could clear out your maximums by holding this down, and it'll clear them out like that. Very simple. You have channel choices. You could have up to 3 of these units, and you can see the channel button right there. That's channel 2, that's channel 3, and then channel 1. And then that little arrow there will automatically swap between the other channels. You hit it one more time, it'll just stay on channel 1. Since I only have one sensor, I'm going to keep it on channel 1 just like that. Now when you first set this up, the unit comes with batteries that were included. You put the batteries in and you turn on the transmitter really simply on the back. There is a button right here. When you hold that button down, it will blink once to turn the unit on. So if I turn it off, it'll blink 3 times. So I'm going to hold that button down and you see those series of blinks. That turns the unit off. Now it won't transmit. At some point this will catch up. But to turn the unit on, the remote, you hit that again. And you see it blink once and now it's back on. Now to charge it, it's really simple, and it's nice that it's chargeable. You just put the included cable into the USB-C port right there, and what happens is it lights up red, and then I noticed that after it was fully charged it went to green. So I'm going to take the included cable, which is USB-A to USB-C. I'm going to plug it off camera into a charger, and I'm going to show you. You just simply charge this by going like that, and the unit gives you a display button right there. You can display LED, you can see it's red. It'll still transmit while this is plugged in. It'll still give me the temperature data right there. That will go to green when it's totally finished. This should last a long time. Put this outdoors or indoors, and you should only need to charge it occasionally, maybe once every 2 or 3 months. And this will warn you when the battery is low on the transmitter. You get a little battery, little symbol on there. It's also a warning telling you that the battery is low on the unit. Now it has a nice little kickstand on there, which I really like, and it holds it in place very nicely. It also has very strong magnet and rubber material on the back. It's a very powerful magnet, and this will hold it right up against a refrigerator or any metal surface quite nicely. Instruction manual does go over all the details of this to let you know how to set it up. Now inside this sensor right here and inside here, there is a Swiss-Made Sensirion Technology, and you do a search on that, you see that's really advanced, accurate technology. Plus and minus 0.5 degree Fahrenheit and plus and minus 2 to 3% humidity. And what's nice is these sensors are pretty much water resistant. You have a little hook on there to put them outside, but you don't want to put them in direct water. You want to put them under an eave or the porch where it has some protection from the sun and from the rain. This charges fully in 3 hours if it was totally discharged. So this is a great device to have to give you monitoring of outside temperature and outside humidity. You can also use this in a wine cellar, your office, basement, a greenhouse, your baby's room, anywhere you want to monitor and have accurate representation of the temperature, and it's very accurate. And this is the longest distance I've ever seen one of these units work. Very impressive that it works for that long distance away between these two units. When you first put the batteries that are included into the unit comes on, and then you turn on the transmitter by holding it down, and this will blink once, and then you wait. You have to wait here. If you see a little transmitted image on top here. You could also force a synchronization. You see that little sync button right there? So I'm going to hit that sync button. Make sure you're on the correct channel first of all. So I should be on channel 1. Then I'm going to hit that sync button, hold it down, and then you see you get that little symbol right there blinking. That symbol right up on top right there, and that's telling you that it's synchronizing and it's going to start getting data from the ThermoPro transmitter, and then you see the data coming on at that point. So that's basically how it works. Very simple operation, very unique that it's got a chargeable function on the remote sensor, and a very nice, easy to read display that's oversized, and again you can light it up in a dark room and you have this great stand on there. So this is a really cool product. So what do I think about this ThermoPro TP260B? I like this product. I think it's well made. I think it works well because I've tested it. It's got the range you'd expect, beyond what you'd expect, and really, really accurate temperature readings. So I'm going to give this product full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. Hope the information I presented here helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.